So backache can be due to multiple causes. Orthopedic cause for which we are here. But you can't forget the other non-orthopedic causes. That's a renal cause, abdominal causes, pelvic and gynec causes, and psychological cause. Now those who have assisted me are well aware that I have seen so many patients, and you have seen with me that a lot of spine pains are not organic, but they are psychological in origin. So as a homeopath, I don't think I have to underline it more than that. So keep in mind a lot of backaches which don't fit into the standard situations that we are going to go further in the next 3 lectures. Think of a psychological cause as a manifestation. It's a physical manifestation of some mental stress which has not been resolved. And that we've seen umpteen number of times. And another thing is, this not being the standard lecture, like we are not talking about giving exams and all. And on a practical basis, lot of chronic aches in the back, even though of organic origin. You have a standard problem seen on the X-ray, MRI, and your clinical examination also shows proper troubles, will have a psychological basis to maintain that cause or to aggravate the pre-existing pathology. Meaning, if the pathology you see, you would expect that you need this much amount of symptoms for it to be clinically relevant. You may find that the symptoms are much higher than that. And there you are wondering why is it happening that way? And probably the reason is that they have a psychological undertone which is not been dealt with. And so as a homeopath, I think you've got to keep this in mind, that there would be a maintaining cause or a worsening cause apart from the original organic lesion that you are seeing in the spine. The backaches can be mechanical, inflammatory, infective, and miscellaneous. In that miscellaneous, you can have bone mineral density, bone metabolic disorders, osteoporosis, metastasis, and of course, postural and non-specific pains. So, today we are going to deal with more of the mechanical thing, but off and on while we are talking, there would be some level of interspersing of this to find out the cross things that are happening.